I really would like to take you through the process of just plugging into your light and allowing that light within you to beam out so that all of the different light bulbs get switched on. And there is no darkness anymore. Because even a sliver of light means it is not dark anymore. Even a tiny little speck of light takes away darkness. So we're going to plug into what that is for you. Okay, so just get yourself comfortable and make sure that your back is supported. Doesn't have to be resting, but it just needs to be vertical for this process to be most effective. And if you have to lie down, you lie down. Make the choice that is the best for you. Connect the base of your spine to the core of the earth. And you're going to be clearing, and I'm going to clear you very, very fast. But if you just allow yourself to go from the top of your crown, and go in concentric circles, and as you're going into concentric circles and scanning all the way in between, whatever is there that no longer serves, whatever excess energy buildups are there that no longer serve, are going to be released to the core of the earth. The base of your spine is connected to the core of the earth with a golden cord. The golden cord is activated. It has the vibrational frequency of precious metal gold. It has precious stone emerald. It has shungite in it. All of it together we're acting like a vacuum suction pump. Any electromagnetic pollutants that you might be affected with, any lower energies that you might be grappling with, they are being released by the shungite. The emerald is releasing anything that brings about a bit of heaviness in the heart area. It could be grief, it could be sadness, whatever it might be. It's releasing that and nurturing and nourishing the opening of the heart chakra. The precious metal gold has got a very powerful support that it offers your nervous system. So that is happening whilst you are being cleared. You're just being cleared from the top to the bottom. I'm just scanning you from the top to the bottom and just like releasing that which no longer serves. Breathe in to the count of 9, hold to the count of 4, breathe out to the count of 6. So breathe in 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just settle into a regular breath. And as you're breathing in and you're breathing out, bring in with every breath you take, breathe in love, kindness, and compassion, and breathe out gratitude and peace. And as you're doing that, you're traveling down your body. We are focusing our attention on the heart. And as you're focusing your attention on the heart and you're breathing in love, kindness, and compassion into your heart, and you're breathing out gratitude and peace, you're going to go below. You're going to go below the heart. From the back of the heart, you're going to go down and down and down and stop at that region that is just above the solar plexus. And in that region, there is that tiny little black box, which is your indestructible black box. And it's this black box that holds that consciousness, light, energy that was created by the Creator. And it's a black box that actually is perforated, and you can shut the perforations off. So sometimes the perforations have opened and that light has shone through, and many other times it's just been closed off. So you're connecting to that black box. and you're going into it. It exists inside your body. And as you step inside this black box, you see that golden light. You see that pearlesque light. You see these rainbow colors that are fluorescent, that are luminescent. And you're surrounded by it wherever you look. Wherever you look, it's there. And with you being in the center of it, surrounded by it, there is only light. It bursts open. And as it bursts open, it opens up the black box. And this black box energy, which is this indestructible energy of your light, expands, expands, expands. It expands into every cell in your body. And then every cell becomes the center of this light. And every cell is now illuminating like the sun. And this light is shining through. And as it is shining through, it is going into every cell, every nanocell of your body. And as it is going to every cell and every nanocell of your body, lights are being switched on, switched on, switched on, switched on. A remembrance returning for so many facets and aspects that make you human. You feel that inner warmth that is spreading out, beaming out outside of you, and it is coming from within you. This exquisite brightness that we are seeing, these amazing colors of the sky with these rainbows that we are seeing, they are our light that is shining through and becoming at one with the light outside of us. It's giving us a recognition of a whole variety of different colors. And it's way beyond your human body right now. And you can see that your human body is where it is held. Allow yourself to receive all the remembrances of your originating intent, the originating intent of every organ of yours. Allow yourself to receive your own inner magnificence that is now being shown to you. Allow yourself to unconditionally accept and embrace any fractured human disguises that you may have allowed yourself to indulge in. And the light shines through those. The fractures are not visible anymore, they're gone. And you can breathe, you can feel your breathing. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathe in 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold 4, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel what it feels like standing in your light. You have the sunshine from within you. Allow yourself to be embraced by okayness and the warmth of being with you. Take your hands in front of your throat and rub them against each other. Put them over your eyes. Take them on the top of your crown, the back of your head, down your neck, over your shoulders, and do an energy sweep. And blow. And those of you who feel minded to, do share one word that you're present to in the chat. We would love to receive it, and I declare the session complete. Thank you. Go on your journey of choice.
Thank you guys so much. What a beautiful process that was, Mynoo. Hopefully everyone feels rejuvenated. That's the word that comes to my mind. So please write your words in the chat. We'll type them all out for everyone. And as you know, we're going to be on this call for the next 7-8 weeks. And each week it will have a slightly different theme, one of the 7 C's. So feel free to ask your questions in advance. We'll make sure we get those asked of Mynoo, or you can type them in the chat as we go along. If we have time, we'll get to those at the end. And thank you, Mynoo. Thank you so much for your time and generosity in leading us through this beautiful process. And love to you all. We look forward to seeing you next Thursday.
Thank you. Beautiful words coming in. So really receiving them with great gratitude. It's my privilege to be with you. Thank you.
So we have love, brilliant light, love again, truth, gratitude, blessed, stillness, another gratitude, peaceful, creation, be. Love that. That's Mynoo's book, by the way. Divinity, peace, grateful heart. Atmospheric, I like that. Aligned, love, genuine love, thank you. Sky, love. Love, we have a lot of love, connection, peace. Love, thank you, love. We're just going to keep going on and on. It's like a big love fest. I love it. Oh my goodness. Miraculous. Enlightenment. Pure surrender to love. Peace. All right. Well, thank you guys so much. We'll be back for more love next week. And until then, take care of yourselves and welcome to the new norm. We're getting ready.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Love you.